Good evening, friends. Today we are going to see about how to do multitasking as well as context switching. Okay, using FreeRTOS. Last class we have seen how to create a single task and how we can create as well as delete the same task. So today we are going to create more than one task and how they are performing. Okay. So first we have to open Visual Studio 2019. So I'm going to use the same project yesterday what we have seen. Okay. Last class we have seen how to implement a single task. In that program itself I am going to modify certain changes so that we can implement a multitasking. Okay. So it is loading the project. Wait for a while. Once it's loaded, I'm able to program it for multitasking. So this is the last exercise we have seen. Today we are going to implement more than one task. So I'm going to create another task. Okay. Next task. Create. So I'm going to name the function of the task. Task 2. And I'm going to implement it. Then task 2. Give some name for the task 2. And then specify the stack size. I'm not going to pass any value. So I'm just read as 0. Next task ID and priority. Done. So we have to create a handler for this task. Okay. So I'm going to name the handler for task 1 as my task handler 1, and I'm going to create one more handler for task 2. Okay. So task handle underscore t task handler is equal to. Okay. So I'm going to give this name while creating a task. New task handler. Okay. So you can see here I am assigning priority as same. Okay, task ID priority for both the tasks. Now created two tasks. So you have to create a task function also first. So the function name we have created is my task 2. So in the same name itself, the function has to be defined as well as declared. Okay. Let's start. I'm going to pass any parameters here. So give a while loop. So here printf and task. Okay. It is small delay. Task delay. I'm going to give send it. Okay. That's it. And also I'm going to modify the task 1 also. So I pass the parameter and I change it. So I'm going to delete everything. So just I'm printing printf and task 1. Okay. That's it. After that, give some below me task delay. Fine. Okay. But I will give count also. So that also. Single slash economy and business. Okay. This one more. FreeRTOS is 194. Okay. So give it as 1. Okay. Since we have changed the task handler now, we have to change in the create function also. So what we have done in this program, we have created a 2 tasks and give some name for that. And equal priority, we have assigned equal priority. After that, we are printing the values. Okay. So I'm getting the value from the main task. For task 1, I'm getting the value as 50, passing the parameter, and then start printing from 50 with a small delay. Meanwhile, task 2 also printing its value. I'm task 2. Okay, this is I'm task 1 with some value, and the task 2 is printing. Both will print simultaneously. As you know, if you assign priority, priority for both the tasks are same, then the scheduler will schedule the tasks based on round robin schedule. Okay, so let's see. We will rebuild the project and then we will run it so that you can visualize the output. So I am rebuilding the project. Our project gets built up. Now we are going to see the output. Okay. So mask the debugger. Wait for a while while it is start to run our project. So meanwhile we'll see how the task states. Yeah, let's go to the website. I'll start diagnosing so that you can able to see the output right. So once we want to rebuild the project, if you do any modification, just to stop the debugger and then start rebuilding it. Okay, otherwise it will take a long while. Okay, right now I'm going to run the project. So you can see here, so both the tasks are simultaneously printing in the console. So this is how both the tasks will run. So what really happens is, so when the task 1 printing its value and when it encounters the delay, so this particular task 1 will went to block state and then it will jump to task 2 where it will print the value here and task 2, and then again the task 2 went to block state due to the delay given here. Okay, so when the task 2 went to delay, again the context switching takes place. So now the scheduler schedule the task 1 again. Okay, it will print its value. When it encounters the delay, then the scheduler schedule the task 2. Okay, so this is how the context switching takes place between task 1 and 2. Okay, based on the delay order given. Okay. So right now I'm going to change the priority of task 2 and we'll see what change is happening in the output. Already it is printing some value. Okay, so continuously it is printing some value. So right now I'm assigning higher priority to task 2. Okay, so that task 2 will first display its value and then it will went to block state due to the delay given here, and then task 1 will display its value. You can visualize in the output. Right now I'm going to build the project. Before going to debug it, you have to stop the previous debugger. Okay. remaining steps. So right now assigning higher priority to task 2. Okay, you can see it here. Task ideal priority plus 1. Okay. So after that I'm going to see the okay. So after that I'm going to launch the debugger. So you can see it here. Task 2 will print first and then task 1, because we are assigning higher priority to task 2. Because of that, first task 2 will run its value and then task 1 will print its value. Okay. So now I am going to change the delay of the task 2. Okay. Even though it is higher priority task, I am going to change its delay. I am going to give higher delay to task 2 and less delay to task 1, a low priority task. Okay. I am giving the less value delay for task 1 and I am giving higher value delay for task 2, which is a high priority task, and I am going to notify what is the change happening in the output. Okay. So once again I am rebuilding the solution. Okay. So I am going to launch the debugger right now. You can see it here. You can see the change. First task 2 is printing. Since we are given a higher delay, task 1 is printing twice. Okay, it is printing its value twice. So after task 2 woke up lately, it again preempt the task 1 and it display its value. Okay, this is how the context switching takes place. You can visualize it here. I am given double delay for higher priority task. So task 1 first print its value and it went for a long delay, while meanwhile task 1 prints its value twice. Okay, even though it is a low priority task, since high priority task went to block state, it using that particular gap to print its value, or use that particular slot to print twice. Okay, so this is what you call it as priority based preemption. Okay, whenever high priority task woke up, it preempt task 1 and print its value. Okay, even though task 1 print twice, it again went to block state since task 2 woke up at the time. Okay, it preempt the task 1 and display its value. So this is example for priority based preemption schedule. Okay, okay, I think you can able to understand it. Okay. This is because we have given higher priority to task 2. Okay, so task 2 will preempt task 1 whenever it woke up again. Okay, whenever it delay gets reduced to 0.